Does the thought of using artificial intelligence in marketing scares you? Don't be. AI marketing has never been easier thanks to today's many tools and platforms. This video shows you how to use AI technology to automate and optimize your marketing campaigns. We'll cover everything from chatbots and email automation to predictive analytics and customer segmentation. So whether you're a small business owner or a marketing professional, get ready to take your skills to the next level with AI marketing.
Have you ever struggled to come up with a name for your business or project? Are you staring at a blank page or whiteboard with no inspiration? Well, fear not, my friend, because Naming Magic is here to help. Naming Magic is not your average business naming tool. It's a powerful AI-driven engine that utilizes GPT-3 natural language technology to help entrepreneurs generate creative and memorable names for their companies. The device was created by Swift Ventures in collaboration with OpenAI, one of the leading AI research organizations in the world. The idea behind Naming Magic is simple: to make the process of naming a company accessible and stress-free for entrepreneurs. All you need to do is input a brief product description and a few keywords, and the tool will suggest potential ideas for you. The AI engine analyzes the information you provide and generates a list of relevant, unique, and brandable names. But what makes Naming Magic stand out from other naming tools is the technology behind it. GPT-3 is one of the most advanced and natural language models available today, with the ability to generate human-like text and understand complex language patterns. Using GPT-3, Naming Magic can offer a level of creativity and accuracy unmatched by other naming tools. The team behind Naming Magic includes the founders of TubeMogul, a video advertising platform acquired by Adobe in 2016. They know firsthand how challenging it can be to develop an excellent name for a company, and that's why they created this tool. Their experience and expertise have helped them create a device that is effective and easy to use. Swift Ventures is a venture capital firm that invests in early-stage companies focusing on AI and data-first businesses. They have a deep understanding of the power of AI and are always on the lookout for new ideas and innovative startups. So if you have an excellent idea for a business and need some help with naming, be sure to reach out to Swift Ventures. They might just be the partner you're looking for. In short, Naming Magic is a game-changing tool that makes naming a company fast, easy, and fun. Its advanced AI technology and user-friendly interface make it the perfect tool for entrepreneurs who want to focus on building their businesses rather than on finding a name. So if you're looking for a way to take the stress out of naming your company, give Naming Magic a try. You won't be disappointed. Have you heard of Copy AI? It's a fantastic tool for content creation. It uses natural language processing and deep learning to automate the content workflow and is available in over 25 languages. That's pretty cool. You can choose from various writing styles and tones depending on your target audience, making it a versatile tool for everyone, from social media managers and marketing agencies to freelance writers and business owners. With more than 90 tools and templates, you're sure to find something that fits your needs. One thing that sets Copy AI apart is its wide range of content templates. You can create anything from digital AD copy to social media posts, e-commerce copy, and YouTube scripts. And it's not just limited to short-form content. You can also use it for generating ideas for long-form content or blog posts. The best part? It's so easy to use. Sign up for an account via email, Google, or Facebook, and you'll be good to go. You'll even get 100 credits, with each check costing 1 credit and generating 10 offers. That's enough to get a feel for the platform and see how accurate it is. When you're ready to create content, simply click on the template you want, enter your brand name and product description, and click Create Copy. It's that simple, and if you need to change the language, just go to the top right corner and select your preferred language. All your previous projects will be conveniently located in the top left corner, making it easier to manage your content creation. Copy AI even comes with a Chrome extension, so you can use it while working on other apps like Google Docs or Gmail. And if you're worried about plagiarism, the premium account includes a plagiarism checker feature. There is no need to sign up for another tool. Copy AI has covered you. The only downside is that the plagiarism checker is only available with a premium account. Otherwise, Copy AI is a fantastic tool for content creation. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting, it's worth checking out. Have you heard of Ayla AI? It's a pretty fantastic tool that can help with all sorts of content creation tasks. With Ayla AI, you can generate blog posts, ads, emails, reports, and even realistic images using the power of AI. It's like having a personal writing assistant to help you create all sorts of content in seconds. One of the best things about Ayla AI is that it can save you so much time and effort in your creative work. With just a few clicks, you can instantly generate any type of long-form content, which is great for SEO optimization and provides workflows that support the whole writing process. You don't have to worry about writer's block or spending hours researching and writing content from scratch. Ayla AI also offers 30 languages, so you can create content in multiple languages and reach a wider audience. And if you need some visuals to go along with your written content, Ayla AI has covered you with its realistic image generation feature. You can customize your content to your liking and make it look professional and polished in no time. The Ayla Chrome extension is also a great feature that allows you to utilize the power of AI everywhere. You can write and optimize content directly on emails, ads, and social media platforms. This makes it easy to write on the go and ensures that all your content is SEO optimized and ready to go. Finally, Ayla AI is trusted by thousands of professionals in various industries and is rated 5 out of 5 stars by its customers. It's an excellent tool for bloggers, content marketers, and anyone who wants to improve their content creation skills and efficiency. And the best part, Ayla AI offers a 1-week free trial with 5,000 words, so you can try it out and see how amazing it is. Now let's talk about the pricing and features of Ayla AI. There are 3 plans: Basic, Pro, and Enterprise. The basic plan costs $29.99 per month and includes 30,000 word credits, 30 languages, and 1 user seat. It offers an AI content editor, Grammarly integration, and general AI writing tools and features, but has limited advanced AI features. The Pro plan costs $139.99 per month and includes 250,000 word credits, 30 languages, and 5 user seats. It offers the same features as the basic plan, but also allows for customized AI tools and feature requests, and includes an account manager and priority customer support. This plan is great for larger teams or individuals needing more advanced features. The Enterprise plan is custom priced and includes 1 million plus words credits per month, 30 languages, and unlimited user seats. It consists of all advanced features, customized AI tools and feature requests, excellent technical support, a dedicated account manager, and onboarding and training sessions. It also offers an AI content editor and Grammarly integration. This plan is perfect for large enterprises or organizations that need the most advanced features and support. So there you have it, my friend. Ayla AI is a fantastic tool that can help you save time and improve your content creation skills. With its various plans and features, you can choose the one that fits your needs and budget. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Have you heard about Memorable Ad Maker? It's the fantastic tool that's going to revolutionize the way we create ads. It's an AI-based platform that uses a technology called Creative Intelligence Suite to help marketers create impactful advertisements that are optimized for marketing KPIs, not just photorealism. Think about it. You can now create an ad with just a simple description. Or if you're feeling stuck, the ad tip guide is there to provide some inspiration. And if you want to go extra mile, the booster feature lets you choose from a selection of sample ads to give you that extra push. But that's not all. The tool even gives you predictions on how well your ad is going to perform. It predicts memorability potential, attention in context, engagement potential, and distinctiveness. And you don't have to worry about the quality of the final product. All ads are produced in high definition with either 8K or 4K resolution options. Memorable Ad Maker is a tool that stands out from the crowd. It's not just a simple image generator, but an AI-powered platform that takes into consideration the marketing goals and KPIs of each ad. And let's be honest, in today's competitive market, it's all about creating ads that are not just visually appealing, but also memorable and impactful. You might be wondering, how do I use the tool? Well, it's super easy. You can input a description of the ad you want, upload an image, or use the ad cues guide. And the best part, you can create all sorts of ads, from high-quality photos of groceries to smartwatches, from smoothies to vases. The possibilities are endless. And the early adopters of this technology love it. Bauti Bariso, a marketing professional, says, "As someone who focuses on efficiency and ROI, I have to say this tool is a game changer. Even if you don't end up using the image, you can test ideas in seconds and see if it improves your performance." And Katrina K is just as thrilled. "I'm fascinated with AdMaker because it's not only a robust text-to-image generator, but also a mechanism to analyze those images for impact. It's a great AI-based tool for brainstorming and testing ideas before they go into production." In conclusion, Memorable AdMaker is a tool that should be on every marketer's radar. It's AI-powered, user-friendly, and helps improve the final product's creative process, performance predictions, and quality. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for early access and see how it can help you create impactful ads and achieve your marketing goals. Have you ever found yourself drowning in a sea of process documents and wishing you had an AI-powered system to help you navigate through them? Well, look no further than Jackrabbit Ops. This unique tool is an AI documentation software that helps businesses efficiently create and manage their process documentation. With Jackrabbit Ops, you can quickly generate process documentation in just 24 hours. How? The AI uses artificial intelligence to quickly and accurately create processes that train itself through data from templates, imports, videos, and charts. And once it has been trained on your specific techniques, it can provide answers to questions by your business processes. But here's the best part. The AI-generated processes are quickly revised and updated, allowing you to make changes and perfect responses in no time. And the best part? You can try Jackrabbit Ops for free without providing any credit card details. Say goodbye to the tedious task of constantly keeping up with changes in business operations and digging through processes to find answers. With Jackrabbit Ops, you can chat with your business like you're talking to a human. It's like having your assistant, but better. And it's available 24/7 and never takes a day off. But that's not all. Jackrabbit Ops is cost efficient too. It helps you save on cost by automating repetitive and time-consuming tasks, which allows your employees to focus on more critical and value-adding tasks. Plus, it can also help to improve employee morale and job satisfaction. One of the best features of Jackrabbit Ops is its centralized platform where all your business's critical information is stored. This enables you to access data from anywhere and at any time, and it can help you to identify patterns and trends in your business, which will help you make data-driven decisions that lead to growth and success. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for Jackrabbit Ops today and start seeing the benefits immediately. It's like having a general manager who is always available and gives you the correct answers at the right time. Make Jackrabbit Ops the best hire you ever made and see your business grow like never before. With Jackrabbit Ops, you can rest assured that your business operations are safe and you can focus on what matters, growing your business.